back and released 7 months of building this model in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First step, crafting a custom building slip. This is the only plywood piece on the model. While not identical to the full-size slip, it serves the same purpose, securing the frames during the initial build phase. Next up, assembling the backbone. We started with the keel, stem and sternpost. Like the real ship, there are composite structures. The stem consists of 11 parts, sternpost 3 and keel 8. Time for the frames. Each of more than 80 frames is built from multiple components: floor timbers, buttocks and top timbers. Then came the hull reinforcements, the keelson and stringers. The main deck is now planned, the port side left in admiralty style, deck beams exposed. However, the grating and supporting beams for the upper decks along the port side remain in place. Over the starboard side, we fully bunked the upper deck above the main deck. Moving to the quarterdeck. With its beams fitted, the ship's skeleton is complete. We treated the quarterdeck planking similar to the main deck. Port side beams left open. She is off the stocks. Finally, time to lift the hull from the building slip and see the completed structure revealed.